In this video, we'll take a quick tour of the CAPTAN software and its main sections. Let's start with settings. Here, you can easily configure the device's Wi-Fi connection through the hotspot menu, change the login password, and set the default nominal frequency or software language. You can also adjust the date and time, transfer files, retrieve system logs, and manage calibration settings. Next is the update section, where you can install the latest software updates to keep your device up to date. The workplace section allows you to build a complete database of your locations and equipment, run tests on them, and review detailed results. And finally, there's Quick Test, perfect for when you want to run tests in different modes without setting up equipment details first. It's fast, efficient, and provides instant reports.